Standard components are an essential part of any mold design. Components gallery includes a large library of components from various vendors. You need to specify the component you wish to add and the locations. iMold will add the component and create pockets automatically for these components. Let's explore how we can easily do that in this section. On the iMold Command Manager, click on Components Gallery and select Add Component. Under Select Components, select the vendor, Hasco, unit as metric, type as general and model, select K100 locating ring. Select the size of the component as D1 to 120 and H1 as 12. Click OK to add the locating ring. Let's add other standard components such as a sprue bush. Again, we can choose a Hasco standard. For the placement, select the face at the bottom face of the locating ring. And select the origin to locate the sprue bush in the middle of the mold. Click OK. In case you need to make modifications to the components, click on the Modify Components button from the iMold Command Manager. Select the component directly from the graphics area. Here, we can change to a custom size and under the parameters, select L from the list. Then we can directly change the value to 53. Click OK to modify the component. Alternatively, we can use the Cooling Designer to add cooling accessories or components directly to the cooling channels automatically. From the iMold Command Manager, click Cooling Designer and select Cooling Accessories. Select the All Circuits option. Click the Define button for nipple. Select a Hasco, metric Z81 nipple with the diameter 12. Next, click on Plug, click on the Define button to define the plug. Select a Hasco, metric C94 hex plug with a diameter 10. Let's uncheck the O-ring for now. And click OK. The program intelligently locates where it needs to drop those components into the design assembly automatically. Save the project.